Got a quick video to show you what I do to prep and paint a raw plastic bumper like this one. So stay tuned till the end and you'll know exactly how I do it. So I have a 2020 Nissan Rogue here. Doing some work on the back, so it obviously needed a new bumper. And what I ended up doing is prepping it with 800 grit wet. So I made sure that my sandpaper was soaked in water for 20 minutes before I started sanding with it. And then make sure I spray the panel down. Always keep that paper wet as you sand it with here, a bit of grittiness. Wash off the paper, wash off the panel. As for getting all your edges, try and get everywhere you can with an 800 grit wet sandpaper, and use a gray Scotch Brite pad to clean up all the edges, make sure that there's some scuff marks there so the paint will actually stick. There's no paste, nothing like that, as I've been doing this for years, never had any issues with paint not sticking, so this way I've always had success, so if you follow that, you'll be good to go. Now with this bumper, I have the mask off the bottom half there. All it is just masking tape, paper, standard stuff, but I use 3M fine line, go right into that edge, give yourself a nice sharp, crisp line when you peel the tape off at the end. This is what I use to clean plastic. It's a waterborne cleaner I mix up. It's 30% alcohol. The rest of it's water. I just use these regular little torque towels. And then it's as simple as just spray it on. Pump up the bottle, I guess. Spray it on. And wipe it dry. Ideally, you just want to use a waterborne cleaner. Sometimes I find the plastics can be really greasy. Could touch it with salt, but if you touch it with salt and wipe it a lot, it's going to get very staticky, which means that you're going to have more lint and dust stick to it. But with these raw plastic bumpers, really no matter what you do, I don't have an anti-static gun, you're always going to have dust and stuff stick to your sealer or your base coat as you're going. So to prevent that, I'll show you later what I do. After I get my sealer on, I'll show you what I do to solve the issue of just having little bits of dust. So the bumper's been cleaned with the waterborne cleaner. Take your tack rag, just lightly tack it. Don't want to make too much static. We're going to make static no matter what. This will get all the big chunks of lint that might have been left over after wiping it. So be very gentle with it. Try not to wipe it too much. More static you will create. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Trying to come up with more helpful videos as much as I can. And if you enjoy the content, follow along. So everything's prepped, everything's cleaned, everything is masked off nicely. The next thing you're going to want to worry about, because it is raw plastic, sealer and paint will not stick to raw plastic unless you, of course, use an adhesion promoter. This is the adhesion promoter that I use. This allows my sealer to stick to the raw plastic. I've never had any issues with it peeling off after using this stuff. So I would recommend if you get your hands on this. I've also had some success on little spots using the aerosol adhesion promoters, but I haven't done a complete full bumper in that stuff. I've done little areas. You can always try that. It just takes one light coat, that's all it needs. So I'll use my old Technicopper. What I end up doing is spraying at 15 psi, nice light coat, make sure you get all the edges. So you can see this stuff here, I put a bit of pearl in there, so you got to shake the can before you use it because the resin will settle. So you know that you've shook it enough, and you can see all the pearl floating around like that. 15 psi. So I let the adhesion promoter sit 10-15 minutes is good, depending on temperature. So in the meantime, clean out your gun, mix up your sealer, and I'll show you the trick in a bit here, what I do after I've sprayed my sealer and you have that static collecting some dust on the panel. So I'll show you how to get rid of that. So adhesion coater on, I will give this another light tack just before I spray sealer. Sealer is on. What I do, I'll show you, the camera will pick it up. You can see there's a little dust nip. Take a bit of 1200 grit. And lightly sand off. I don't have to go all the way. If you get half of it gone or just knock the top off, that's perfectly fine. Do that, tack it off, and it should be good. Because of the static, we'll just draw the dust, and I'll do that on my sealer. I'll do that on my first coat of base. So then when I put my last coat of base, everything is absolutely smooth and perfect. If you're going to sand your base, you have to put another coat on, or otherwise you'll see the sand scratches. So there you have it. That's what I'm doing for my raw plastic bumpers. Just a quick recap. 800 grit wet sandpaper. Make sure you soak that sandpaper soft enough. Gray scotch right on the edges where you can't get 800 grit. Mask it off nice, fine line on something like this along the edge. This is the way you want to go. A good adhesion coater. Spray it on light. It's one choice stuff. Turn the pressure down nice light coat. And then you put your sealer on. Sand off with a nib of 1200 grit, paint like how you normally would, and you should have lots of results with no failure. So again, like, comment, and subscribe, follow along. If you have any ideas of kind of how-to videos or something that I can teach, put them down in the comments and I'll make a video on that as soon as I can. But in the meantime, here's the highlights of this paint job at the end.